Yeah.
Time to get on the ark. 8 people. God told Noah, but it wasn't easy. Sister Hope, no doubt that Noah got discouraged. Wouldn't you? Wouldn't you? No doubt that Noah got discouraged. But there was some work that Noah had to do before he could